Hello everyone! Welcome to Matinik. Sa araw na ito, pag-uusapan natin ang Introduction to Matrices. Imagine your teacher records student scores in mathematics, science, and English. So this is the data, and instead of writing a large table every time, mathematicians use matrices to organize information neatly. So the table above becomes like this, no? It is written in a rectangular form. Okay. Matrices are widely used in computer graphics, artificial intelligence, economics, statistics, engineering, business, and cryptography. So, what is matrix? A matrix is a rectangular arrangement of numbers, symbols, or expressions arranged in rows and columns. Example, this is a matrix. Matrix is composed of the following. So we have the rows, columns, elements, and dimensions. So rows is the horizontal arrangement of numbers. So in this example, the number of rows is 2. No? So we have 1 and 2. So row 1 is composed of 4, 6, and 2. It is it here. Then row 2 is composed of 8, 1, and 9. Then we have the columns. Columns are the vertical arrangement of numbers. Okay, so in this example, the number of columns are 3. Column 1 is composed of 4, 8. Column 2 is composed of 6, 1. And column 3 is composed of 2, 9. Then we have element or entry. So it refers to the individual number or symbol in a matrix. So every element number here is an element. So the notation is given by A sub ij, where I is the row number and j is the column number. For example, we have A sub 12 equals 6. So this one represents the row number. That means row number 1. So we will look here. Then 2 represents the column or second column. So we will look here. No? So their intersection is 6. Another example, we have A sub 23. So 2 represents the row. So meaning we're going to look at here. Then 3 represents the column or third column. So this is the third column. So the intersection is 9. So therefore, A23 is equal to 9. Another example is A sub 13. 1 represent the row number, which is row 1. And 3 represent the third column, which is here. So that means their intersection is 2. Again, row 1 and third column. So the intersection is 2. Next, we have the order or dimension. So it indicates how many rows and columns the matrix has. The order is written as rows by columns. In the example above, it has 2 rows and 3 columns. Thus, the order is 2 by 3. Another example, in this matrix, the order are 2 rows and 2 columns. So we have the order is 2 by 2. In this example, the rows are 1, 2, and 3. and the column is 1 and 2. So therefore, we have 3 by 2. Another example, here the rows are 1, 2, and 3. Then the number of column is 1. So therefore, we have 3 by 1. Okay, so let's have an example, a 2 by 2 matrix, 2, 4, 6, 8. So the number of rows is 2, right? So row 1 is 2, 4, and row 2 is 6, 8. Then we have columns. The number of columns is 2. So we have 2, 6, and 4, 8. The elements are 2, 4, 6, and 8. The dimension is 2 rows by 2 columns, or 2 by 2. Then we are asked to find the element A22. So here it means 2 rows and second column. So that means this is our uh, second row, and this is our second column, and the intersection is here. Is it here? Okay, so we have 8. Another example, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. So the number of rows is 3. So we have 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 3, and 2, 4, 8. This is row 1, row 2, and row 3. The number of columns is also 3. So the first column is 2, 4, 2. The second column is 3, 5, 4. And the third column is 1, 3, 8. Then we have elements. So the elements is the number in a matrix, the individual number in a matrix. So we have 2, 3, 1, 4, 5, 3, 2, 4, and 8. So these are the elements. Then we have dimension. So dimension is 3 rows and 3 columns. So therefore, we have 3 by 3. Then our A sub 12 is first row and second column. So our first row is here. Oh no. Hindi pala tama. So our first row is here. And our second column is here. So the intersection is 3. Okay, so the answer is 3. Next example, we have a 3 by 2 matrix. So the number of rows is 3. 1, 2, and 3. So row 1 is composed of 1, 0. Row 2 is composed of 2, 3. And row 3 is composed of 3, 4. Then we have columns. So the number of columns is 2. So the first column is composed of 1, 2, 3. And the second column is composed of 0, 3, 4. Then we have elements. Elements are the individual number in the matrix. So we have 1, 0, 2, 3, 3, and 4. Then we have dimension. As you can see, we have 3 rows and 2 columns. So therefore, we have 3 by 2 matrix. Then A21. So first, the first number is 2, which is the second rows. Then we have 1 as the first column. So the intersection is 2. Okay. So therefore, the value of our A sub 21 is 2. Okay. So, kung may tanong, just comment. Okay. So now let's come to your practice. Your term now. So identify the following. We have a given matrix. It composed of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So identify the rows, the number of rows, and the number of columns, the elements, dimension, and the A sub 23. If you have questions, just comment your queries in the comment section. And thank you for watching.